So this video shows how to change SD cards in Dexter. So the SD card is going to be right here. So you just push it in and then remove it, and then you take the new one and do the same thing. Put it in the slot and then push it in, and you'll hear a little click, and then that's it. Alright, when you put the Dexter back in your cabinet, make sure that the USB drive is inserted. This one is an older USB drive. It's a lot longer. Most of them are low profile, but the USB drive needs to be inserted when the new SD card is put in. Alright, now I'm going to power the game on and show you what the screen is going to look like the first time.
Dragon's Lair, a fantasy adventure where you become a valiant knight on a quest to rescue the
so the first time the SD card boots up, it's going to print out a bunch of text like this.
Finding his way through the castle of a dark wizard
that is normal for the first time. Okay, so
in the mysterious caverns below the
and this is my space ace. You can hear my Dragon's Lair running next. So it's going to print some messages about needing to reboot a few times.
Your quest awaits.
So you might see messages about it rebooting, 2 or 3 times. Then it will print this blue screen with the progress bar that says Dexter needs to update to cancel this power Dexter off before this progress bar finishes. So you're going to need to let this, unless there's an emergency, you're going to need to let this finish. So then it's going to start copying files from the USB drive to the new SD card that you have. So right now it's copying Space Ace. Kind of gives you like an approximate estimate how long it's going to take. This is probably going to take like 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when it's almost finished and show you what it looks like.
Valiant space warrior, the fate of Earth is in your hand.
Alright, almost done. Okay, then once it finishes, oh yeah, another message about having to reboot. So we should be almost done now. Sometimes the video will just start playing. Oh yeah, there it goes. So now that the video's playing, I think we're done. So let me just...
Hold your fire! Who is that?
There's Boar's ship!
So it's done. So that's what you gotta do. Hope that was helpful.